Good morning, everyone. I am Leo, founder and CEO of Line Paper Products, Jiaxing and Cambodia. Let me ask you something. What if notebook could think faster than your factory? What if your wildest idea in Paris could be a chef in LA next month? That was the question we asked in 2015 when we started Line Paper Products in Jiaxing, China. We weren't trying to build the biggest factory. We want to build the fastest, most flexible, and most design-driven manufacturing partner for creative brands. Today, we serve brands across the US, Europe, and Asia. But more importantly, we serve a mission to help creativity move as faster as culture does. Let's face it, the old global supply chain model is breaking. Tariffs change overnight. Shipping costs waived weekly. Brands are stuck between massive MOQs and outdated timelines. You should not have to wait 19 days for a sketch to become a sample. You should not lose a season because of factory backlog. We knew the answer wasn't one factory. It was one team in 3 countries. So we built it in China. Our 3,000 square meters innovation center is where imagination meets craftsmanship. We create working samples in 48 hours, test preliminary finishes, help solve design problems. In Cambodia, we run a 9,000 square meters factory focused on faster, large volume production. It is built for speed and cost efficiency without compromise. In South Korea, we work with a precise partner factory, ideally for a low MOQ and rapid customization, perfect for brand chasing trends and viral launches. 3 countries, 1 corporate team, and 1 promise. Creative ignited at global scale. Let me go deeper into what we are actually make. We specialize in high-quality stationery for some of the world's most beloved lifestyle brands. Hardcover notebook with full stamping, embossing, and soft touch lamination. Spiral planners and YO journals with customer layouts. Embroidered covers for gift sets and seasonal campaigns. Eco-friendly paper goods use FSC certificate stock, recycled leather, recycled paper. From layout to packaging, we understand what makes a stationery product retail ready. We obsess over binding strengths. 360 blue binding, planner divider page, indexed smart index, cover durability, anti-rust work technique. Our product expect working side by side with your designers. Our line workers have trained on hundreds of skills. We bring craftsmanship and scale under one roof. We believe in smart manufacturing, not just automated manufacturing. That means we use body palms for transparent QC videos. We use AI tools to check design files and reduce sampling errors. But machines aren't everything. Our greatest technique is still our people. 60% of our team leads are skilled women. Our average worker's experience is more than 5 years. We train cross departments so teams speak design, print, and logistics fluently. It's not just a factory. It's always try. Let me tell you who trusts line paper. Every conjure for high-end planners with good foil and stitched dividers. Indigo box for consistent delivery and chef-ready packaging. Amazon and ST sellers for MOQ flexible and fast reorders. When they come to us, they stay. Why? Because we match every product to the approved sample. We deliver on time, even during peak season. We speak your language. We are not just a vendor, we are the invisible extension of your brand. So, where we are headed, we are adding new eco-material, bamboo, recycled cotton, biodegradable fuels. We are improving digital product tunings for quick design approval. We want line paper to be the fastest, most reliable creative manufacturing partner in the world. Let's design something beautiful. Let's ship something powerful. Let's build something lasting. I am Leo. Your design. We deliver.